Good morning, what's up? The sun is out today in Ireland and I couldn't be more delighted with myself. I'm like, the sun is out, the day has started, it's a beautiful, wonderful day. It's Wednesday, middle of the week, and I am just so pumped for the day. Like, I actually can't believe the sun is out. I cannot believe it, and it just puts you in good form. I'm just out of bed, as you guys can probably tell by the face, bedhead, whatever. So I'm gonna go down and make myself a cup of coffee first. I was intending on vlogging yesterday, but I forgot to charge both of my batteries, so I had no way of filming for you guys, which sucks. It's my own fault. Just forgot about it. I had the nicest weekend ever. Patty and I went to a barbecue. Actually, the last you want to see me was Thursday, and I put up a video with Jenna. So glad you guys loved the video with Jenna. I will definitely include her in another video. I had to like send it to her straight away. I was like, they love you. We've been friends for 16 years this summer gone, guys, which is crazy. She's just so natural on camera as well, so I think it would be great like to maybe do a video with her. She's very comfortable about it. Some of my friends are not like obviously into it, and that's why you don't see them on camera, but like she doesn't mind it at all. So because you guys want another video with Jenna in it, we're definitely going to do that. I just want to know what you'd like to see. Do you want to see like a tag video? Should we just do like a mukbang? Should I do like a, I don't know, like I don't really know what to do, but if you guys want to see her in another video, like maybe just the two of us, let me know and I will organise that for you guys. So to catch us up in the rest of the weekend, Friday I went to a barbecue. It was myself and Patty and his workmates, which was super nice. I think there was only like 7 of us there, which was lovely. It was just a nice little group of people. Wasn't home until like 2 o'clock in the morning. Paddy didn't drink, so he was driving us home. We had to drive out to Malahide first before we went back to his. Saturday we went to Blanche. We got chopped. I got, what did I get on Saturday? Oh, I got all my B12. I had to get more B12. I was low on that and my Agnes Castus. Sunday went to the Botanic Gardens. That was lovely. I am so sorry I didn't vlog anything, but I had a nice weekend off, which was great. Monday worked, Tuesday worked, and spent a bit of time with Jenna yesterday. We had coffee, a little bit of a catch up over the weekend, and that is basically it. This week I have to call out to Amy. I haven't seen her in ages, so I really want to call out and see her and the kids, so I'll probably try and do that maybe Thursday. Today, oh, that's tomorrow. Oh my god, this week is balloon by. This weekend, don't know what plans I have, but I'll try and vlog whatever happens. I have a very exciting video coming up soon as well. Well, it's exciting for me because I haven't actually seen these products in the longest time, and I am doing a palette declutter video, guys. Cannot wait. I'm going to try and film that today, or a bit of it today, and have it up this week. I am super pumped for this. Like, I cannot wait to clear out all my palettes. I'm just kind of scared, to be fair. There's a lot of them. Hey, what's up? I'm in the car. I'm going to get my eyebrows done. I basically rang my beauticians, or the girl that I normally get my eyebrows done from, and I was just like, when will you have your next appointment? Like, presumably thinking it would be next week, but she has one right now. She was like, if you come right now, I can do your eyebrows. I was like, great. I haven't had them done since Christmas time? Yeah, definitely around Christmas time, and they are so badly in need to be done. I'm just sick of them. They're just out of shape, fluffy, and not in a good way, so I need to go get those bad boys done today. I'm very excited. I had a bit of an incident. Tried to start my car, having driven it, like, you know, driving it normally all the time, and the battery was dead, and I was like, that is so not right, because the battery is fine. Like I said, it was just in the mechanics not that long ago, and he looked over everything. He was obviously tested everything, and he said that the car was in pretty good shape. So I don't know what the hell happened. I'm very annoyed over that. So my dad was there, thank God, and he jumped my car. So we're on the road again. However, I am kind of a bit nervous that if I, you know, I'm parking right now, is it gonna start when I come out? Oh. So I just have to make sure everything's turned off. In fairness though, all that was on, not on, but all that was like kind of running would have been the radio, and I've always had that running, so I don't know what has drained my battery, but I'm just gonna have to make sure every single device in this car is turned off. It's just very annoying. I'm in the car park, and I just thought I'd show you guys my new mask. Look how cute it is. I got these in Mr. Price in Blanche the other day, and they had like loads of different colors. I'll just move my hair out of the way so I can do this. I got this one, and then just a baby pink one. They had like black ones, blue ones, green ones, red ones. They had army kind of khaki green. I never thought I'd say, but I'm so happy to have this, and they're really cute. Like, but it's so weird they're accessorizing with masks. Who would have thunk it? So I'm just gonna put this on now while I go in and get my eyebrows done. Ireland, it is now mandatory to wear masks. You're not allowed inside anywhere without a mask on, and it doesn't matter, it just has to be a face covering. It's just to protect the person, the other people around you. So you just have to wear it. It is mandatory. Like, they will stop you from going into places without it. Well, I'm back at my car, got my brows done. They look so nice, so much nicer than they did before. They're still like, I'm trying to let that bit grow out. I don't know what the story is with it. It's like, you know the way like when your eyebrow, like it's a bit sparse. I don't know what happens. Sometimes that happens, like I get like little bald patches in my eyebrows. I have no idea, but sometimes it just happens. It's like the hair all falls out at once or something. I don't know. But anyway, happy enough with my brows. Delira. Worst thing happened right now. My battery in my car is actually gone. I am stranded here in the car park. I don't want to go up and ask anybody, hey, can I like jump my car off your car? It's a pandemic, so you just don't do things like that. You can't do those things anymore. It's just, you know, it's just not appropriate. So I have rang my mama and she is coming in to rescue me. So she should be here soon. I'm just gonna have to jump my car off hers. It's very annoying because I paid for my parking. Now it'll run out, and I'm also parched with the thirst. Like, I'm so thirsty. I don't know how that happened. And I went into Deals to see could I just get like water. They've no water in there. It was really weird. All they had was like Lucozade. I don't really drink fizzy drinks. I will drink Diet Coke on occasion, and sometimes I do like the Lucozade pink lemonade one. I do quite like that. So I'll just wait till I get home and have some water, because that is what I want. Anyway, I bought these sweets when I was in there, the mom joysticks, and I'm gonna have one of them right now, even though I don't think that'll quench my thirst, but I need something, and I have you guys to talk to right now. This is just awful. I hate when this happens. I hate when I have car problems. So I'm gonna have to buy a new battery, which I think they're about like €100. I'm trying the cherry ones of these. Oh my god, I love them. That's what these look like. They are the most amazing things ever. I love them. You cannot beat them. They're like the best sweets that ever existed. They're my favorite, personally. It's also extremely warm today. I don't know if you can see that. It's 22 degrees. I do love that the weather is warmer. However, I don't love that I'm stuck in my car in an underground car park in the heat while it's nice and warm outside. And I need to get back to work as well. This is just not cool. And I kept like twisting the key in the ignition, and then I kept like flipping around in the ignition. I was like, what the hell is wrong with this? And the radio was on. Then I took out the keys and the radio was still on. I was like, what sort of madness is this? Maybe if the radio wasn't on, I thought I turned it off. Let me just check this again. No, the radio is off. Do you hear that? Like, wow, there is like nothing coming out of it. Yeah, the radio's off. I don't know, this car is haunted. Oh, I thought that car was my mom. I'm starting to get really excited, but it's not. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna just wait for her here. And I'm gonna have another mom. I'm gonna have, oh no, I don't want a raspberry one. The cola ones are my favorite, or the cherry. Sorry, that's really noisy. No, where are the cola ones? I don't want any of these. No. I thought I had a cola a minute ago, please. There's like one cola in this whole bag. That can't be. Oh. That's just very disappointing. So I'm gonna have a cola one and a strawberry one, and I'm officially sick of eating these now. We're on the road again. Oh, I can't wait to get on the road again. My god, that was just a nightmare. So my mum came in, thank god for her, but the car wouldn't jump start because my car is a 1.9 diesel and her car is a petrol. I think it's a 1.6. So I need to ring my dad to come in with his 2-litre diesel engine car, because that would start the battery, because my mum's wasn't, like, there's not enough of a kick off the car. Oh, nightmare, such a nightmare. And we're in the underground car park, which is so annoying as well. because you have to obviously like pay to go into it, and we had to like tell the guy, by the way, we're coming out, and I had paid for my ticket already, so it's just very annoying. But anyway, we're on the road. I'm going home now, and I need to purchase a new battery, which is just great. The washing machine is super loud. These are all the eyeshadow palettes that I took from my storage unit, and I have more upstairs, and I want to go through them all, open them, talk to you guys about them, and see which ones I'm going to keep, which ones I'm going to donate, and which ones I am throwing away. There is a lot in there, so I will take a bit of time to do that. But I will definitely do like a declutter palette. There's a Vizier palette. Actually, they're amazing, those palettes. I will do a colourful declutter and then a neutral palette declutter, because I think that will help you guys a bit better, or like to see, because sometimes I only prefer like looking at colourful eyeshadow palettes in one video, you know, and then like more neutral in the other. So I thought maybe that might be more preferred. I just went out and tried to start my car again, and it just wouldn't start at all. So I need to order that battery today, or go down to the motor factors or something and pick it up. While I have you here, two of the most common questions I get are one about my glasses that I wear all the time, and they are from Specsavers. I think I actually featured them in a video when I first got them, which would have been around last October. I think they're also in Vlogmas as well. I talked about them in that. And the second question I get an awful lot of questions about is what lashes I wear when I'm wearing the big fluffy lashes, and they're always these ones. They're the 3D Vixen ones from Pennies. They cost €3. They're the best lashes ever. Actually, should have got another pair today because they're my last pair. They're the ones I always wear, and I usually, if I know I'm going to be like going out at the weekend or I'm going to be doing something, I'm going to be wearing lashes, I would normally wear them once, so that when I wear them the next time that they're nicer. Also, a lot of you guys gave me great recommendations of eyelash glue, because I was asking in my last video, so I think I'm going to go with the Eyelure. I remember loving that back in the day, so I'm going to need to go and pick some of that up. The lash glue I'm using now is the Duo glue, and it's the black one, and it's horrendous. It used to be amazing. You put it on, your lashes would just stay all day, but now they're kind of like peeling on the corner, inner and outer corner, and then when I do take off the glue, it's so stuck in the center portion, and it's like it pulls out my eyelashes. Now every single time I use it, I always have to check to make sure I have no like eyelashes stuck on the band of the lashes. It very rarely happens, but I am just not about that life. I really don't want to be like reefing my eyelashes out every time I put false eyelashes on, so I'm just gonna go get the Eyelure one. I remember I loved that so much. So thank you guys for the recommendation and reminding me how great that was. Right at this moment, I'm making this little pile here of stuff that I want to put onto Depop to sell. I have a box down here. I'll show you guys all the stuff that I'm selling. It's just stuff that I've actually bought myself that I was going to do videos on, and threw it in a drawer, forgot all about it, and now I'm coming back to it. I bought myself the Jimmy Choo Flash, and after smelling it one time, thought it would be lovely. Bought it in the airport, I think last year, and never ever ever took it out of this. So I'm also going to sell that because it's like full, and I never really wear it. I don't reach for it. It's not like my cup of tea fragrance wise, and I have enough fragrances to try and get through for a lifetime. Here I have a ton of things that I'm selling on Depop, things that I bought myself. I bought this Huda palette thinking that I would, you know, wear it and stuff, never did. And a couple of other bits and pieces that I just picked up. Some Sigma brushes, and I'm just going to sell them on Depop. Again, I went crazy for the Huda Beauty for a while and bought a lot of stuff from them, or from the brand, and never really wore it. Bought this to do in a video, never got around to doing it, so I'm just going to sell them all on Depop. And if you want a link to my Depop, I'll leave it in the description bar below. Like I said, these are products that I've never used, and I'm just never going to get around to wearing them, and you know, I may as well sell them while I can. And then there's other things that I'm going to do giveaways with as well, so keep an eye on my social media. Well, aren't I looking well right now? Even if I do say so myself. I decided that I would do a face mask. I haven't done one in 2 weeks, and I was like, it's time to get a face mask on, girl. I'm using the Nivea Urban Detox mask. I've talked about this a million, billion, trillion times on my channel. You guys are probably sick seeing it. Just in case you are new and you've never seen this, that is my favorite face mask ever. I absolutely loving it. I love it. It's like the nicest face mask ever. It makes my skin feel divine afterwards. Like, it just, I don't know. That and the Glam Glow mud mask I love as well, but I'm all out with the Glam Glow as well. I'm so ready to be done for the day. I just feel like I had a bit of a mare of a day. Like, it wasn't the funnest day, but look, we made the most of it. And we got there in the end. Yeah, it just wasn't my day. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go downstairs and watch Married at First Sight. Can't wait. One of my favourite TV shows. It's the new season. Well, not the new season. It's the newest season that I've ever seen, which is the 2008 season. I've never seen that before. Very excited to watch. And I've watched 2 episodes. So this is episode 3. So we get to see 2 new couples tonight. I'm very excited for it. And it's very hard because I tend to like want to Google things about the people that are in it, and I'm like, don't do it, you'll ruin it for yourself because you won't know how they ended up and anything like that. So instead I'm just gonna go down and watch it tonight. Paddy's addicted to it as well, so I have to watch all the weddings first and catch him up on it because he's not really keen on the wedding ones, which is fair enough. He likes all the drama that comes afterwards. Yeah, so that is basically me done, dusted for the night. I hope you had a fabulous day. I hope you had a better day than I did, but in fairness, it was only just car problems. I mean, we get over it, but it's just kind of really annoying when it happens. I love you so much, guys. Thank you for tuning in today, and I am going to talk to you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.